nyngkong ke Meghalaya kan host ya ke India Responsible Tourism State Awards 2023 ke bengikat ke Meghalaya chapter. Ngi propose ba hak ni ini trailang bat kena ke outlook ke outlook magazine kalau depan organize ya ke outlook Indian Responsible Tourism Summit nyngkong Rajasthan di Meghalaya kan dia state ke Baar jela ke Baar ban host dia kan ke event ke jingmut jong kini event kalau ban encourage ya ke mengikat responsible tourism kan long ke tourism kapa in briefly kalau begini to curate unique experiences for travelers by diversifying tourism products and geographies with the aim to minimize impact on the traditional tourism circuits, protect the rights of the local communities, and build a collaborative model to represent their share of voice in infrastructure projects and development schemes, adopt practices to reduce waste, conserve water, and minimize the carbon footprint of tourism, ensure the adoption of new and renewable energy resources across the spectrum of tourism to achieve carbon neutrality, develop sustainable infrastructure that does not harm the environment, flora and fauna, create employment opportunities for women and youth by training and skilling them, and foster a spirit of entrepreneurship, celebrate local festivals, craft, dance, music, art and cuisine, and promote an ecosystem which ensures the preservation of local culture, biodiversity, and rights of indigenous communities. Dia hapok jom kini project ngin ai ke jing itu yaki brio ki bala wanra ke jing job haki benda prepare jom ke tourism kini kin kentup kum sustainable leadership naki homestays nanta B&Bs and guest houses, travel enterprises, food, cultural tourism. Ya kini ki award pada kan don ke juri. Kini ke juri kan kalau ni kan pun kapan jid ya ki pan yo ki ini kusna. Jadi kategori sekali kita bangla kedua bentan. But based on application jong kini kita la ishimenta wa promote ya kini kita la kedomtan homestays, guest houses, travel food tater te kini ke juri kan select ya diberi banyo award ya kaba in sa ngapun krearu daga microsite kaba ngikot eka the exclusive microsite for IRTSA Meghalaya. Jadi kini ke site ingin kan on live immediately ingin post every alternate days to keep the conversation going. But kini kan ketup yaki the post will include microsite launch announcement of Magnificent Meghalaya, event announcement post, social media contents, award category announcement, jury post, speaker post, ni guest speaker ke penuan, post promoting Meghalaya's culture, heritage, food, etc. Event countdown and post. To kani yakini barok proses kelas sedang bat kat ba nginangnya Syekh Ahmad nginang update pada itu.